Hi, in this session we begin with basic forms of calculations. Basically, in percentage concept, either he will ask in the question percentage given, or the second one is percentage is asked. We'll see one by one. Okay, let's see. When percentage is given, okay, how we are going to do this? Okay, find 20% of 500. So 20% which is divided by 100, half multiplied with what? 500. Okay, so but no need to write 20 by 100. Why? Because we already learned 20%. Yes, what is 20%? 20% is what? 1 by 5 into 500. Half means what? Multiplication. So 1 by 5 into 500, that will give you what? 100. So find 20% of 500. The answer is what? 100. So if you talk about our next question, 25% of what number is 400? I am highlighting of what number because 25%. What is 25%? 1 by 4. Half means multiplication. What number? I don't know the number. N is equals to 400. So from this, can I take my n value as 1600? Yes. So the n value is going to be what here? 1600 is going to be my answer. So when the percentage is given, this is how you can answer your questions. Then how about percentage is asked? Yes, this is already you know. This is what we discussed in our first video. 20 is what percent of 30? A is what percent of B? Then the answer will become what? 20 by 30. If you want to write it, equation 20 equals to what percent? X percent, half 30. Okay, once you again rearrange this situation, you will encounter this one only. So 20 by 30, which means, yes, recollect our second video, 2 by 3. What is 2 by 3? 66.66%. Isn't it so? Yes or no? So this is how our previous videos will help you to answer this particular video. Hope you understood this. Vice versa, if I want to talk about the next question, 30 is what percent of 20? Again, you know the answer. So this is what? 30 by 20 into 100, 3 by 2. What is 3 by 2? 150%. Yes or no? 2 ones are 2 50s are 5 3s are what? 50. So which is 150%. Hope you understood this particular two questions are very, very important. Okay, when the percentage is given and when the percentage is asked, you can get your answers very easily. Okay, let's try to understand this very important question. Okay, so let's look at here. If 75% of a number is added to 75, then the result is the number itself. Find the number. Nice question. If 75% of a number is added to 75, then the result is number itself. Find the number. So now let's look at this, guys. 75% of a number. Guys, when you talk about 75% of a number, first you don't know the number. So let's assume number is equals to x. When the number is equals to x, can I say 75%? 75% of x, which is equals to, not equals to, which is added to 75. So number is equals to x. Okay, 75% of a number. So 75 by 100 of x, okay, added to 75. The result is number itself. What is the number? 75. So you know reciprocal value 75 by 100. Can I write 3/4 directly? Yeah, 3/4 of x, okay, plus 75, which is equals to x. So 4 is the LCM. So 75 4s are 300. 4 will go to the right hand side and that will become what? 4x. So if you rearrange the situation, you will encounter x value as what? 300. X value is what here? 300. But this is the traditional way of solving. But we are not here to do the same thing again and again. So this is, the straight way. Copying the question, pasting the question here. How about the other method? So that is very, very important. The visualization method, our methodology of solving the questions. So please concentrate. Guys, let's take a number. Okay, let's take a number. Assume this is your number. So this number is 100%. Why 100%? Every number itself is 100%. Guys, when the total number is 100%, when the total number is 100%, now he is talking about what here? Yeah, 75% of a number. Now ask yourself a question. The total is 100%. If this is 75%, the remaining is what? The remaining is what? 25%. This is where your logic. 75% of a number is added to 75, which means the extra 25% value only 75, no? Yeah, 25% equals to 75, then 100% equals to how much? Then 100% equals to how much? 25 is becoming 100. If I multiply with 4, then 25 will become 100. LHS multiply with 4, then RHS also multiplied with 4. Then the 75 4s again is what? 300. Okay. Yeah, there are so many ways to handle the question. 25% is 75. You know reciprocals. 25% is what? 1/4. 1/4 is 75. Then 1 is what? Y1, 1 is 100%. This is how much. If you do cross multiplication, 75 4s that will give you 300 again. So this is how you have to answer the question. Do you really need a pen and paper to do this? Not really, because 25% yes, 25% is this. Then 100 is how much? What is the other way around? Yeah, 25% equals to 75. Then 100% equals to how much? Then 100% equals to how much? Yeah, 25% equals to this. 25 ones are 25 threes are. 1% equals to 3. Then 100% equals to what? 300. Then 100% equals to what here? 300. So if you look at here, there are 3 methods. Okay, the traditional way. Okay, with fractions, with percentages. Okay, this is how actually you can do your question. So this is very, very important. Please understand, this will help you. 75% of a number is added to 75. Ask yourself a question. 75 was given. I don't have any business with 75. Remaining is what? Out of 100, 75 is gone. Left with what? 25. Yeah, that 25% is what? 75 rupees. Whatever you assume, 75. Yes, 25 is 75. What do you want? Whatever you want, you can figure it out. Then 100 is what? That's it. That's where your answer. If they will ask you, 80% of a number is added to 40. Then how you are going to react? Same question. Okay, 80% of a number is added to 40. Out of 100, 80 is gone. remaining is what? 20. 20% equals to 40. Then 100% equals to how much? The calculation is your wish. 20 is becoming 100 into 5. Here also into 5. So 5 4s are 20. Then the answer will become what? 200. Whatever may be the number, he may give you 60% of a number is added to 40. The result is a number itself, find the number. 60% is gone. Left with what? 40% only. 40% is 40. Then 100% is what? 100. Then your answer will become what? 100 only. So this is how you have to answer your questions. Let's go to the next. So how to calculate actually? So if I gave A value as 60, then the question is this. B is 83.33% of A, find B. Okay, this is how they'll make questions. Okay, B is, okay, you know B is means what? Equals to, recollect your 83.33. What is fraction value? Yes, the fraction value is what? 5 by 6 into what? A of A. What is A? 60. So from this 6 1 times 6 10 times. So can I say my B value is going to be 50? Yes. When? Yes, I got B. Yes, I got A. A value is 60. Yeah, A value is 60. B value is what? 50. Okay, B value is what? 50. I got my B value. Okay. Yeah. So yes, B value is what here? 50. He may ask you like this. B is 200% of C. A value is 60. B value is what? 50. Then what is your question? B is, okay, B equals to 200%. Can I write it to 200 divided by 100? Half means what? C. You know B value, right? What is B? 50. Okay, equals to 2 into C. So can I say C is 50 divided by 2? That is nothing but 25. Yes. So what is C value? 25. Don't confuse. It's very simple. B is equals to of multiplication. Okay. Please know that. That will help you to give your answers easily. So now I got A value as 60, B value as 50, C value as what? 25. So you have further questions as well. Okay. If they'll give questions like this. Okay, C is what percent of A? C is what percent of A? C by A into 100. Yes, what is C value, Nana? Yes, C value is 25 divided by what is A value? A value is 60 into 100. Okay, A value is what? 60. C is what percent of A? Okay, yeah. 5 times, here it will become how many times? 5 by 12. So, if you know the 5 by 12, that is going to be your answer. Yeah, what is 1 by 12? This is how your calculations will help you. 1 by 12 is what? This is where you have to recollect your things. 1 by 12 is nothing but what? 88.33%. Okay, into 5. Okay, so if you multiply this, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 16. Okay, 8 5s are 40. Then your answer will become what? 40.656565 and so on. Okay, so not always the values are going to be friendly. So this is where you have to recollect your values. Okay, on what basis, Nana? Yes, 1 by 12 I know. What is 1 by 12? 8.33. And numerator is what? 5. 5 by 12 is nothing but 1 by 12 multiplied with 5 only, no? So that's how you can get your answer. So please be conscious. So my intention is this. If you know the reciprocal values, the job is a cakewalk. if you don't know the reciprocal values, it will take a lot of time. So there is one more question. A is what percent of B? What is A value, guys? A value is 60. A is what percent of B? What is B value? 50. Okay. Into what? 100. So now your answer will become what? More than 100%. So can I say your answer is going to be now 120%? Yes. So please try to remember few things. When you come across 6 by 5, it is directly 120%. When you become 3 by 2, it will become 150%. Please try to know these values. That will help you in the exams. Okay. Let's go to the next thing. Find the percentage change. This is very, very important, guys. This is very, very important. What is percentage change? Let's take initially the bus fare is 30 rupees. Now it became 40 rupees. Okay. So what is the change here? Yeah, the change I can say 10 rupees. The change I can say what? 10 rupees. Okay. But if you look at here, initially the train fare is 1000 rupees. Now the train fare is 1010. What is the change now again? Yeah, the change is again the 10 rupees. It doesn't mean they will take the same percentage. It doesn't mean they will take the same percentage. This is where you have to understand one important point. Okay, when the change is same, it doesn't mean it always percentage change is also same. No. Okay, if I ask you 30 to 40, the change is what, guys? 10. So how much percentage is the change? Okay, change percentage is what? How many rupees is the change? 10 rupees is the change. 10 rupees is the change. To what? What is this 10 rupees is changed from what? 30. Always the denominator is the initial value. What is the initial value here? 30 is going to be the initial value into 100. I can say my change is what? 33.33% is the change. On the same note, if you closely look at here, yeah, the percentage change is what? Change is 10 rupees, but my denominator will change. What is my denominator? 1000 into 100. 2 zeros will cancel, 0 will cancel. I can say my change is what? 1%. My change is what here? 1%. When the change is same, it doesn't mean the percentage is not same. Okay, percentage is different, change is different. Okay, please try to understand this particular point. Okay, change as a fraction of always to the original value only. Original means what? The initial value. Initial value, original value. Okay, the base value, everything will same. Okay, everything is same. So please try to note this. Even though the numeric change has same in magnitude, 10 and 10, percentage change is different because the base is different. When the base is different, definitely, the values will come differently only. Okay, please understand this. This is very, very important point. This is very, very important point. So let's see, 120 to 150. 120 to 150. What is the change? The change is 30. How much percentage is the change? Yeah, the percentage. Numerator, again our basic session. What we are comparing, to whom we are comparing. Yes, what we are comparing? The change. How much is the change? 30 is the change. I am comparing with what? I am comparing with the base value, the original value. What is the original value? 120 into 100. 31s are 34s. Yes, the moment you saw 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is what? Yes, our second video. 1 by 4 is what? 25%. 1 by 4 is what? 25%. Okay, 1 by 4 is what here? 25%. But if you look at the change is what? 150 to 120. 150 to 120. The change is what? Minus 30. Okay, the change is what? Minus 30. The percentage change. Don't take minus 30 and divide with 150 into 100. 30 ones are 30 how many times? 5s. What is 1 by 5? 20%. Guys, always remember, percentages never be in negative. That is very, very important point. Okay, change is nothing but difference. Okay, change is nothing but what? Difference. Okay, change is nothing but what? Difference. So you can say that is 30 by 150 into 100. That will give you what? 20%. Hope you understood this particular point. Okay, let's see one example. Interesting example. Due to COVID-19, Bangalore Hyderabad train tickets are increased from regular 900 rupees to rupees 1100. So what is the percentage increase in fare? Very simple. Due to COVID-19, Bangalore to Hyderabad, the train ticket fares got increased. So what is initial value? 900. What is final value? 1100. Yes. Okay. Whatever the question is, your concentration is very simple. Yes. What is the change? Yeah, the change is 200 over what? 900 into 100. So recollect your values. What is 2 by 9? 2 by 9 is what? 22.22%. 22.22%. So can I conclude? This is nothing but percentage increase formula. What is 200? Increased quantity. What is 900? Original quantity into 100. So can I make a formula? Yes. Percentage increase formula is what? Increased quantity by original quantity into 100. So here we have learnt one formula. What is that formula? Percentage increase. Increased quantity by original quantity into 100. Do you really write all these things? No. The moment you saw this question, yes, the difference. What is the difference here? 200 is the difference. Okay, yeah, and I'm comparing with what? What is my original value? 900. So 2 by 900, yes, you know, 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is what? Yes, 1 by 9 is 11.11. Then 2 by 9 is what? Multiples of 11. So that will give you 22.22%. You know, this is how you have to answer orally. No need to write all these particular things on your paper. Hope you understood. So let's see the formula. Percentage formula is what? Increased quantity divided by original quantity into 100. Let's see one more question. Yes, due to COVID-19, Wonderla entry ticket fare dropped from, there are less number of people. So people are not coming to the Wonderla. So management, they have decided we need to reduce our price 1100 to 900. So what is the percentage decrease in fare? So let's look at the question. Initial fare was 1100. The new fare was 900. What is the decrease here? Yes, the decrease is going to be 200. Okay. Yes. Yeah, the decrease on which value? Yes. When you come across this symbol, something should be in the numerator and something should be in the denominator into 100. So what is the numerator? Yes, the numerator is difference, change is what? 200. This is where a lot of people will confuse. The denominator is what, Nana? 1100. 1100 is the denominator. Again, your second video, 2 by 11 is what? 1 by 11 is 9.19. 1 by 11 is 9.09. Then 2 by 11 is what? 18.18%. Or you can write this value as what? 18 2 by 11%. 18 2 by 11%. So now the point is this. Percentage decrease. Yeah, what formula can you make here? Percentage decrease is equals to decreased quantity divided by original quantity into 100. Decreased quantity by original quantity into 100. This is how you can get your answer. Okay, this is how you can get your answer. Okay, you can get your answer. So decreased quantity by original quantity into 100. So let's see the formula. Yeah, percentage decrease. Decreased quantity by original quantity into 100. Okay, hope you learned from this session. Hope you learned, okay, percentage increase, percentage decrease, okay, how to calculate when the percentage is given and percentage is asked. Thank you.